What's up, YouTube? This is D Car Tracker here. As usual, as I was telling you guys, I am taking this speaker here, which is the original speaker that comes with the Maserati center speaker. So I am replacing it with something different because it sounds terrible. So right now, the only way for you to take this up, you're gonna need a pry tool, something like this, very simple, and then you're just gonna pry it from each four corner and pull it up. And you have to be very careful, because if you're not, you're gonna end up breaking one of those things just like I did. All right, and the next step, to take out those 3 bolts on the speaker, you're gonna need a T20 torque screw, so you can remove them. And they're not that easy. You're gonna need a ratchet wrench with you, because the clearance from the top of the speaker to the windshield is too close, so you cannot use like an extension bar for the ratchet and stuff. All right, so now let's go ahead and take a look inside and pull the speaker out and do some testing for sound, so you guys can hear how it sounds like. All right, we are inside. The difference. This is sound test 1. This is with the Maserati speaker.
Trying to see it like a motherfucking cash roll. Hands in my pants on the side. I'll tell you one thing, gon' tell you my mind. I be banging on your front door with the 9. Bang, bing, bing, where the cash at, cash at. Tell back. Like a new year day black. And I ride all day like a bus pass. In the cash flow. Where the cash get, cash. Trying to see it like a motherfucking cash roll. Hands in my pants on the side. I'll tell you one thing, gon' tell you my mind. I be banging on your front door with the 9.
Just use a plier, you fold it in half, then it's gonna break this apart, so that way you can install it wherever you need to. All right guys, so unfortunately, so I am not gonna be disconnecting the reference tweeter, because if I do, it's gonna make it sound a little bit muffled, and I don't want that. So I want to get as a clean, crisp sound coming from the center speaker. So what I'll do, so I'll play with it and disconnect the side tweeter, since I already have this center one here. So I just don't want to have way too much tweeter inside of the car. But normally, if you go to like a audio shop, what they're gonna do, they're just gonna practically they're just gonna install the system for you, but they're not gonna route your center speaker. And you need the center speaker to get that nice clear sound, because the center speaker, this is what kind of like help minimize the sound from the road noise from outside inside of the car. If you don't have the center speaker, it's kind of like when you listen to music and you're driving on the highway, it's gonna be so noisy on that. So this is what kind of like serve as an adjustment to minimize the road noise. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and connect it as his, and then mount it and let you guys know how I feel about it. All right guys, this is the sub here. All right, so now this is the fun part. So practically now we gotta tweak the sound and adjust the frequency from the front. So this is how it looks right now. So this time what we're gonna do, instead of just put the frequency all the way for the HPF at 4K, so we're gonna put it about half and see how it sounds. Alright guys, I turned the bass all the way down to low, and here now we are about to adjust the level here. Hopefully this is not too big, slightly too big. backside level. There we go. Alright, and the front level, so we want that to be a little bit high, but as far as right now, I'm gonna leave it like this and go check it out real quick. You obviously can't hear the bass because I turned the volume all the way down. So the plan is to hear the center speaker nice and clear. Then we know we got a clean cut sound, right? So let's listen. So now all I gotta do is just put this piece in there. So just gonna set it up gently and snap it. There we go. And that right there, my friend, this is how you change the speaker, the center speaker in the Maserati Ghibli, and also how to adjust the sound to make it sound good. So if you like this video, go ahead and post your comment. If you don't, that's fine too. Still post your comment and let us know what it is that you don't like about the video so we can make it better for you. And thank you again. Subscribe if you're new to my channel. If not, still subscribe because there's still way more good information that I have coming up that you're gonna want to hear about the car. Alright, so thank you again, guys. See you on my next video.